Claire's drinking out of a cup for the first time all by herself. How do you like it, Claire? Pretty great. Oops.
Miss.
Yeah, that made a mess, didn't it? Oh, that's all right. That's what bathtubs are for. It's a mess. Yeah, that's okay. Do you want something else for lunch? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you later.